Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is perfect chicken fried rice. Oh yes, the best way to cook Nigerian fried rice. Yeah, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so and like the video as well. Do you want to know how I came up with this finger licking fried rice? Then let's dive right into the video. When it comes to Nigerian fried rice, these are the basic vegetables needed. I got here spring onion, green beans, garden peas, which is also known as green peas, sweet corn, carrot, green pepper, red bell pepper, and of course purple onion. You can as well use white onion, there is no problem about that. Other basic ingredients that are not here are rice and liver. For the liver, you can use sausage if you don't like liver. Alright, yes, for my seasoning you have to follow me along on the video so that you know the seasonings I use for the fried rice. Next, I will carefully transfer the vegetable in a clean bowl to season them. Please, if you have not been trying this method of Nigerian fried rice, try it this time and thank me later. I've added the meat seasoning with a little salt in it, and to that I will mix very well to combine. Afterward, I will cover the vegetable with a slim film and set aside for 30 minutes to 1 hour. This is a boneless chicken and that is what I am going to use for today's fried rice, and to it I will be adding chili powder, mix seasoning cube, then mix to combine. Once that is done, I will cover and allow to marinate for 1 hour or more. Please know this, the more you allow the chicken marinate, the better it tastes. Okay, here comes our chicken broth. I got this chicken broth from a particular video that is up on my channel titled How to Season Your Chicken. Please check it out in the description box below or pin comments. Meanwhile, let's get into cooking. Place a pan on the heat, add some vegetable oil to preheat. Once the oil preheats, add your washed rice. Please make sure the rice is really well washed to avoid sticking. As you can see, mine is really well washed. To the rice, I will add my homemade ginger and garlic paste. Please, the video of how I make this ginger and garlic paste is up on my channel. Do check it out down the description box below. Now I'll be frying the rice on a high heat for 4 to 5 minutes without removing my hand from the pan to avoid burn, because if you remove your hand from the pan, it might burn, and that is not really what we want. After 40 minutes of frying the rice, I will go ahead to add the chicken broth, enough to cover the rice. But why you don't have enough chicken broth, please add water, but make sure the rice are well covered. I will stir and test for seasoning. After testing, I noticed I needed to add a little salt. Please, if you test and yours is okay, there will be no need of adding more seasoning in order not to overdo your seasoning. Yes, I will cover now to cook until the water or broth in the rice dries up. By then, the rice should be about 70% cooked. Please put your eyes on it, don't allow it to burn. While the rice is cooking, I will go ahead to fry the chicken. To a wok, I will add a little vegetable oil, and to it I will add the marinated chicken to fry until well cooked on the both sides. Once the boneless chicken are well cooked on the both sides, I will add the liver to fry briefly as well. I don't like the liver too tough in my fried rice, but you can do what you like. Okay, yeah, for the liver you can replace it with a sausage if you don't like liver. Okay, both the chicken and the liver is good to go now. My teeth are not just strong to eat tough meat. Our rice is ready at this moment. Wow, can you see how they are in singles? Yeah, that is the power of frying it a bit before cooking. I will take it off the heat and continue with the vegetable this time. To the same pan used to fry the chicken, I will add a little more vegetable oil. Once the oil preheats, I will toss in the onion and fry a bit, and then add my homemade ginger and garlic paste and stir to combine. The link of the homemade garlic and ginger paste is at the description box, as I earlier said. And I will leave the ginger and garlic paste to fry for 1 to 2 minutes, and then add my minced scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, I just added it, but you can totally skip it. Okay, once they are well fried, I will go ahead to add the minced seasoned vegetable and stir to combine. You can as well test and add more seasoning if you wish, but I am totally okay with my own seasoning. Yeah, I will stir the vegetable to combine for 4 minutes because I like my vegetable crunchy, and then add the fried chicken and liver and stir as well. After 4 minutes or so, remove the vegetable from the heat, bring back the cooked rice and start adding the vegetable gradually. I will keep adding until I am satisfied with the quantity I need for the rice. Once I'm done adding the vegetable, I will go ahead to garnish the rice with some spring onion and stir to combine, after which I will allow the rice to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. And here our perfect chicken fried rice is ready. At this junction, we will call it a day for this one. This rice look so colorful and delicious. Come and join me and eat. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video, like the video, comment and subscribe with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Yes, from me and all my crew, remain blessed. Bye bye.